Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating and mysterious structures in the world, the pyramids. The pyramids were built thousands of years ago, yet they still continue to amaze us with their size, complexity, and the mysteries that surround them. In this video, we will explore how the pyramids were built, their true purpose, and some of the secrets that are still hidden inside them. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about how the pyramids were built. The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking that required immense skill, effort, and resources. The pyramids were built using massive blocks of limestone and granite, some of which weighed up to 80 tons. These blocks were quarried from nearby sites and transported to the construction site using a system of ramps, sledges, and rollers. This was an incredible feat, considering the weight of the blocks and the distance they had to be transported. Once the blocks were at the construction site, they were carefully placed in position using a system of levers, pulleys, and ramps. The builders had to be extremely precise in their placement of the blocks to ensure the structural integrity of the pyramid. The pyramid was then covered in smooth white limestone, which was quarried from Tura across the Nile. One of the most fascinating aspects of the construction of the pyramids is how the builders were able to achieve such precision. Some believe that the builders used a system of mirrors to reflect sunlight and create a line of sight for placing the blocks. Others believe that the builders used a form of ancient mathematics to achieve the precise angles and dimensions of the pyramid. While we may never know for sure, it is clear that the builders of the pyramids were masters of engineering and construction. Now, let's talk about the true purpose of the pyramids. For many years, it was believed that the pyramids were built as tombs for the pharaohs. While this may be true to some extent, recent evidence suggests that the pyramids may have served a more complex purpose. Some archaeologists and historians believe that the pyramids were not just tombs, but also served as a place of initiation for the pharaohs. Initiation into what, you may ask? Well, some believe that the pharaohs were initiated into the mysteries of the universe and the afterlife. The pyramid was seen as a gateway to the afterlife, and the pharaohs who were buried inside were believed to have achieved immortality. Others believe that the pyramids were built as a symbol of the pharaoh's power and as a means of social control. The pharaohs used the construction of the pyramids as a way to demonstrate their power and authority over the people. The construction of the pyramids required a massive labor force, which was likely made up of peasants who were forced to work on the construction. By demonstrating their power in this way, the pharaohs were able to maintain their grip on power and control over the people. Let's talk about some of the secrets that are still hidden inside the pyramids. Despite the many years of exploration and excavation, there are still many mysteries that surround the pyramids. One of the most intriguing of these mysteries is the hidden chambers that are believed to exist inside the pyramids. There have been many theories about what these chambers may contain. Some believe that they may contain the remains of the pharaoh's queens or other members of the royal family. Others believe that the chambers may contain treasures or artifacts that were buried with the pharaohs. One of the most exciting recent discoveries was the discovery of a hidden chamber inside the Great Pyramid of Giza. In 2017, a team of researchers used muon radiography to detect a large void inside the pyramid. While the purpose of this chamber is still unknown, it has sparked renewed interest in the mysteries of the pyramids and what they may still contain. In addition to these hidden chambers, there are many other mysteries that surround the pyramids. For example, the alignment of the pyramids with the stars suggests that they may have been used for astronomical purposes. The precise dimensions and angles of the pyramids also suggest that they may have been designed to harness the power of the Earth's magnetic field. While we may never know all the secrets of the pyramids, one thing is certain: they continue to fascinate and amaze us thousands of years after they were built. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the secrets of the pyramids and how they were built. The pyramids continue to be one of the most fascinating and enduring structures in the world, and we can only imagine what other secrets they may still hold. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.